you're trying to download all your GoPro media because you want to cancel your subscription or something. So first you try this, you try to select everything, you click download, only 25 items allowed. And you can go in and make groups of 25, but then some of them fail. And when they fail, you don't know which group failed. So that's pretty useless. So then you go and you select all of them and you make a shared link, because the shared link actually has a download all button. And then you click this download all button and that fails. It runs for hours and you only get like 30 videos if it doesn't fail, and they're 30 random videos because GoPro's backend limits it. So I made this. It requests them 5 files at a time. And it makes a zip file and then it extracts that zip file into a folder with all the videos. Okay. And if it fails, if it corrupts getting 5 files at a time, which it does, I don't know how it fails so easily, it will retry again. So I'm going to show you how to use this. So first we're going to download it. Okay. And then we need a HAR file, HAR file. So to get that, we're going to inspect GoPro's page. We're going to go to the network section, and we're going to first we're going to clear. We're going to clear. We don't have to probably, but I'm going to. Going to reload. It's going to show all the network requests for all these different videos, and then I'm going to slowly scroll. You could probably scroll faster, but I want thumbnails to pop up just for confidence reasons. And so as we're doing this, we're going to get the IDs, GoPro's IDs on their website for every single item in here. Wait, why wasn't a lot of items? Oh, they're still like loading. All right, we're gonna go. Oh, wait, I gotta be, sorry, I was in the shared one. So this has all my files. So I'm gonna scroll slowly. Actually, we're gonna clear first. Okay. So now that we clear, we're gonna refresh. So we're gonna get all the IDs for the ones that are right on the start page. We're gonna scroll down, and the network requests are gonna request the thumbnails for each of these videos. And as it does that, it gets an ID for each video. So once we scroll all the way down through all the videos, we're gonna download a HAR file and give it to the app. So we just gotta wait. There's my dog. This looks really complicated, but trust me, it's not. All you have to do now is click this download button right here. Okay, so see gopro.com HAR file, save. Okay, so now I'm going into my downloads and see this is the rescue file you just downloaded from my GitHub. This is the R file. They have to be in the same folder. That's about the only rule. And this is going to happen because I don't have some Microsoft license to make apps. So I'm just going to click enter because that's the name. Look, it found all 538 of my video IDs or photo IDs in there. I'm going to click yes, and it's going to make them into batches of 5, and it's going to download them, and then they're all going to show up in here. You're going to have your number of files divided by 5 zip files in your downloads folder, and then it will re-download the ones that failed and delete them, and then eventually you will have a folder that's completely full of all the recovered videos, which is currently empty because it didn't finish downloading the first one. But if it fails, it will restart. If you accidentally close this when it's running or you aren't able to finish it, it'll pick up where it left off. It has a completed file, which is currently empty and not created yet. But yeah, this works great. I'm very happy I created it. I struggled a lot with downloading my files so much that I ended up creating this, and I hope it helps you guys.